You're doing the bulk of the work.
What?
It's your bike, man.
Metric or standard?
Metric, because it's a ejecting bike. I don't want to strip it. Alright, that one went. Take that one off. That's definitely 10. Oh, we're getting this jury rig we can do.
You just at the wrong angle.
Alright, I left it on deep, so I got it. Oh. Alright, you want to go on the wall or go in that box, and I'm going to say probably a 12 or 13.
Yes, sir.
13.
I think we should have disconnected the exhaust servo first.
No, we're getting there. I'm not taking this out, just loosening it up. When they say disconnect off the motor, are they talking about this?
Yeah.
This thing's gonna shoot at you or what? Well, basically, with the thing, we're doing away with this, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm sweating, dog. Alright, we got that free. Where is it? Now, the good thing is, this bike's not that old, so nothing's really rusted on here.
Yeah. Some people would say I'm removing a perfectly good exhaust.
Yeah, well, yeah. What's the American way?
The American way. Some dude told me I had a cinder block. Now I gotta change the exhaust. You were one of those other people. You know what they say, if you ride a 300 for 3 months,
You're a professional.
you're a professional. You get a 636. It could have been worse. I could have asked for the ZX14 at the dealership. I am paying for it. More ways than one. Don't give him the clamps.
Do that, but we did it. Okay.
We dug, done, did it.
Alright, so that means everything should be loose.
We're just gonna run it like this now, right? This is 0. Like,
Yeah, that probably won't throw no codes.
install a servo, buddy. You'll be good.
Shit, I lost that one. Okay, right, set. Don't did it.
Oh no, they
I
nuts.
don't want to fuck that gasket up in there. Nice and easy. There we go. Like the gaskets on mine on my big old V-twin. Here, chuck that up there or back there. That freaking thing's heavier than heck, dude. Yeah, that's a good coating.
That's good coating right there.
Alright, you want to cram it in a hole with me too?
I'm a man.
I'm saying, I'm gonna get out of your way. Make sure it's straight. Push it down.
Oh, it's not fitting. Alright, maybe you could take it. Not man enough.
Alright, well that's where it's lining up there, so let's just stick this
In there to hold it.
over for now. Alright, and then we gotta take this back, find the holes. Alright, that's a problem, because I don't want this thing to come all the way up, but it did. So let's read it with Davis. Oh, there has a nut already in. What's that? Oh. Okay. 10 millimeter. What's that?
I forgot to take it before photo.
So you got $9,000.
I do have a lot of pictures of my life. There's still people at work who are like, "No, you drive a Challenger?" I go, "But can we talk more about the bike?" And that's when I thought maybe it's just not loud enough.
Well, it needs to be loud. Not to be rude, it needs to be loud.
You probably
All right.
loud bikes save lives, but crew.
Well,
Or the
my friend Mike will say, no, it's, ta-da! Or ta-da! Alright.
hit him with the jazz hands.
They're not gonna know. Nobody'll know.
They know.
They're not gonna know.
Nobody knows what cares. They're gonna know.
Alright.
The key's not coming out now.
I told you.
Jab crap.
Jab crap. What is it?
The back seat.
There was something to pull on in there.
This? Yes.
Yes. Well, that hides the cat. I said you probably should have went with the full exhaust, but it's a start. Well, there's the servo there.
We take these. Oh, we never put the nuts back on here.
Right, now it says what type of weird fabric. They say basically just to take these cables off this wheel.
Yes.
So they should just pop out.
What should I do?
What is it?
Oh, nothing. I thought. There we go. It's off. Yeah, now we figured it out. It is loose.
Alright.
It is out.
Now what do you do? Now you gotta feed them through here.
Yes. Unless they're mounted to a bracket.
Yank that down through.
Oh, it looks like. Yep, there is a bracket here. I'm just trying to find the exit hole.
That's what she said.
That's the thing.
Or entrance hole.
We're supposed to feed it up or feed it down now?
I don't know. I thought I said feed it down. Oh, this one looks like it's free. This one's free.
This
All
looks
right.
like I can pull. I can unscrew.
You gotta go down and out with them.
Down and out.
That's what mine look like. There you go. That one's free. When you're yanking it like a big man.
Oh. This is not the intended way to do this. I guarantee it was to take the plastics off.
Alright, this one's free. Nah.
I'm a little caught right here with no man as I readjust the wires. Which one am I pulling on? Alright, let's move this one down again.
Which one? This one?
What you still have, yes. I want to come up here.
Why not?
I'm getting a little caught.
Did you get the one out all the way?
No, it's right here.
Alright, where is it at?
That's the end. This is the wire.
We're just opening up this bracket so we can... What is this bracket at? There. Push that up. Oh God, I'm scratching for fuel tank. Kick my ass. Okay. And which way do you want to go with this thing?
I think it's just
Probably would have been easier just to take this piece of plastic off, but right.
That's why I said this is probably not the intended method.
All right, but
It's done.
that's how we do it. All right, what's going on with this one?
We call it the same spot. We call it up.
I just gotta finesse it. All right, ready, set. Where does she call it? Here. There we go.
And you have it here first, folks. The removal of the exhaust servo wires without taking off
Yeah, but two
the
guys.
plastics. By two guys freaking out.
Two guys who don't know what the hell they're doing. Are you gonna start this pig or what?
I'm going to put the seats back on. Ooh, that was a big puppy. side.
Take the fake fuckers done. That day I had nothing but problems with it, and during Superstorm Debbie, or whatever the hell it was, Tropical Storm Debbie.
Debbie.
I don't know, you gotta put a little oil stuff in there or what?
Maybe.
I've never heard no crap like that, dude. Why wouldn't that ignition on a brand new bike not work?
Because it's been exposed to the elements, now it's all seized up area.
Alright, big reveal. Let me back up so you don't scare me.
That's a lot louder.
Hold on, let it warm up. Leaking yet. No, you're right. Whew. Exhaust fumes are gonna knock me out though. Give it some gas. The hell type of gas was that?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think I'll blow the fucking engine. Alright, you wanna push it out or what?
Yeah.
We donezo? See if it throws a code? That's how you do it. Teach you how to fucking rev the exhaust. Not super loud, but loud enough. And it looks a hell of a lot better than the factory one. I'm happy with it.